I'm the Genius Asian. Welcome to the Genius family.
Today I'm going to show you how to install a bidet.
This bidet is very simple. You can mount it on the toilet bowl under the seat. You need to connect the water to the nozzle on the attachment. Some more expensive models can also connect to the hot water supply. However, even if the hot water pipe is accessible, it still takes a long time to draw the hot water. Some models can heat water. However, for that, not only do you need an electrical outlet nearby, but also the outlet has to supply at least 15 amps. GFCI protected, 3-prong, grounded. You may have a fear of cold water, like thinking about jumping into a cold swimming pool, but a bidet only shoots room temperature water to a small area of ½ an inch. You'll get used to it by the third time you use it. When you make the purchase, you can select either left-handed or right-handed. The manufacturers explain that it's about which hand you prefer to use, but in fact, there are 2 other factors you need to consider. Does it have a vanity or other obstruction on the side you prefer? And is the hose long enough? See, this bidet package only comes with a very short water supply hose. It is long enough for our toilet, but for someone else it may not be long enough for a right-handed bidet to reach a water valve on the left side. The main goal of the installation is to put this T-adapter into the water supply path. The original water supply goes this direction, so this T-adapter can redirect the water to the bidet unit. There are other parts in the box. Note that my instruction ordering below is different than the manufacturer's. My strategy is that once the water hose is disconnected, I want to reconnect it as soon as possible to reduce the chance of water spill on the floor. This is because sometimes the water supply valve cannot be shut off 100%. Thus, minimizing the time the water path is open is a good idea. Remove the existing seat and lid. This is done by opening these covers. Use a large, flat screwdriver or a penny to remove the bolts. Connect one end of the supplied hose to the bidet. Mount the bidet and toilet seat with lid over the mounting holes. In case the bidet leaves a gap between the toilet seat and its cover, put these 2 white washers above the sliding hooks in order to make the toilet seat cover fit the toilet seat better. Shut off the water supply valve. Keep pressing the lever to flush all the water. Make sure that the remaining water in the tank is lower than this mark to avoid water leaking back to the water supply hose. Turn this nut and disconnect the hose at the bottom of the toilet tank. Reconnect the hose to the bottom of the T-adapter. Put the supplied rubber O-ring at the top of the T-adapter. Connect the top of the T-adapter to the toilet tank. Connect this hose to the T-adapter. Open the water supply valve. Turn the knob to test the water jet. Notice that the water jet is shooting at the center. It is unlikely it will miss its target. It is pretty easy to adjust your position, so there is no need for us to say anything more. But one obvious question remains. Since there are no mirrors there, how do you verify that you are clean? This is our final important tip of this video. Fold a small piece of toilet paper. Dab the wet area. If the toilet paper is stained, continue washing. If it is clean, then it is all done.
Share this with people who you know that need it. Leave your own genius tips in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm the Genius Asian. Subscribe for more useful videos.